feels so damn good, guys. What's going on, guys? My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. So we are gonna do a few things today. Number one, we're gonna take the Hellcat out and maybe wash it, maybe not. I don't know if I'm washing it in this video or next video. It depends how I'm feeling. But yes, so today's like 50 degrees outside. It feels so good. We've had like negative 10 degrees days in Michigan, so you know, today kind of feels like summer. For you people that live in California, your 70 degrees are like 50 degrees. So we try to enjoy it as much as we can. But anyways, besides that, the next 3 days is gonna rain, which means it's gonna clean all the roads. So all the salt, snow that there is, it'll be cleaned from the rain. And hopefully next week I could take, when I say next week, I'm talking about like in 3 days or 4 days. So I'm gonna take my Hellcat out. We're gonna have some fun. I know a few of my friends just want to take their cars out, and we're gonna meet up and do some crazy stuff for you guys. So that is gonna be pretty cool to do. Also, I am gonna answer your Q&A questions that you guys have asked. The last 2 videos I told you guys to just ask me anything, and I'm gonna answer it in this video. So this video is basically gonna have all the questions from the last 2 videos, and I'm gonna answer them to the best of my knowledge. But before that, we're gonna take the cover off the car. So I'm not driving the car today is because it's in storage mode. Yes, the insurance is in storage mode, so I can't take it out on the road right now. And today was the only nice day out for the last 2 months, so I'm not gonna turn the insurance on for 1 day. So what basically I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out and just take some pictures here with my camera. We got this Nikon or whatever heck, how do you say it, but this is a pretty good camera. So we're gonna take some pictures, you know. And if you guys don't already follow me, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Toxic SRT. That's my Instagram, and also on Snapchat, and that's Toxic SRT as well. So I know you guys are tired of me talking, so let's get to it. Let's take off the cover. It's been under this cover for the past 2 months. Oh, I miss driving this beast. Ta-da! Woo, look at it. Is the dirt from starting it up. So every time I do a cold start for you guys, that dirt ends up there. I just opened the hood to make sure everything in the hood is good, no problems, nothing like that, because I haven't really taken it out in 2 months. I want to drive this thing so bad. It sounds so good. There you go. So I took it out, took a few pictures. I backed it out the driveway and then backed it out this way, so it's parked this way, like how I like it. I just never had the chance to do it because I didn't know the snow was gonna come down, and it was stuck in that position for about 2 months. So now it's like this, and I'm gonna cover it up. Ready? Also, before I go inside and answer all the questions you guys left for me, the fate of the Hellcat. So what I was thinking is I am gonna keep it for this summer and really enjoy it, just because I didn't really enjoy it last summer. I was always putting more mods to it, putting more money into it. All I cared is about racing, and I kind of got out the fun of enjoying the car. I didn't have that, where I had that with my Challenger Scat Pack that those of you who know me, I had. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to more car meets, enjoy my car more, meet more people, have more car friends, and just enjoy it. That's what I'm gonna do. So what I was thinking, either keep this car and get something else, or get rid of this car. But I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of it, because I love this car. I don't know. Every time, for like when I store the car and I don't drive it for a long time and I hop back in it, I'm like, why would I get rid of this? I love this car. So I'm truly blessed to even have this car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna continue to build the car. I'm not trying to be the fastest. I just want to just continue to build it, just so it could be like a fun little project I could share with you guys. You know what I'm saying? Just have fun with it. Not really, I don't want to be in competition or anything. I just want to just build the car because it's something for me to do. So that's probably what's gonna happen in a month or two, honestly. Like the weather's kind of clearing up and we're gonna have a crazy summer together. So anyways, enough of me talking about this. We're gonna head inside. I'm gonna answer all the questions you people left for me. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as I was ready to sit down and answer the questions, I brought out my laptop and I was just looking at some certain cars, and then tell me why I just seen a car that I'm actually thinking about buying, just to have fun with it. So don't judge me when you see this car. This is gonna be pretty funny. We got the 2013 Fiat 500 Abarth, and it's a convertible. Let's see. Woo! Would you look at that? Look at these. Let's look at the seats. Okay. Whoa. Nice steering wheel. What do you guys think? You guys think I should get it and just have fun with it? Just do stupid stuff with it? I don't even know. Could you even mod this? What could you possibly do to this car to make it faster? Because that would be an interesting build. So, let me know in the comments below, actually. Should I get this car and have it like a channel car to just build for fun? And if so, what mods could I do to this car? Because I don't know anything about this car. All I know is that the Abarth is comes with a turbo or something like that, and I think like 175 or 165 horsepower. That's the only thing I know about this car. Fiat. That'd be cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Should I get that car for the channel and just build it just for fun, or I don't know. We'll have fun with it. I'm sure it's such a tiny car. We'll just go park it in between other big cars and see what people think. I don't know. I'm just coming up with stupid ideas. Let me know in the comments below. The first question is from George Rodriguez, and he said, "What do you do for a living?" And I'm a stocks investor. Next question is from Explicit Plays, and it says, "Is it hard to drive with 20 on the windshield?" I'm guessing he meant 20% tint, and it's hard if it's at night, but I don't usually drive my car at night that much, but I could still see. I mean, you could still see, just a tiny bit. But if you have any sort of vision problem, you won't be able to see. So, next question is from Marcela Lopez. It says, "Do you get pulled over for not having a front license plate?" I'm from Michigan, and they don't require you to have front license plates. I believe they used to back in the day, because I think we used to have street cameras and stuff like that, but not anymore. We don't have any street cameras, so they don't, you know, our state doesn't take pictures of us hitting the red light and send us a ticket at home. They don't do that. I think they do that in California, Chicago, you know, places like that. The next question is from, I don't know how to say this, it's VEHQZI. It says, "What are your future plans and what is your dream car?" My future plans is basically just become more successful. So, you know, the older I get, the more money I want. I want to provide for my family. I want to continue to build this YouTube channel because I do love cars, and I want to create atmosphere for people to come watch YouTube channels that are just like, there is no limits to it, you know. I'm doing whatever I want. I don't try to be professional in that. I'm just one of you guys, so that's how I treat it. I just do whatever, have fun with it, you know. You guys haven't really seen much fun just because I started YouTube in the winter, so like a few months ago, and once the summer comes up, and that's where the real crazy stuff happens. So yeah, my dream car is my next car, like my next really fast car. I want either a McLaren or a Lamborghini, but I do want a McLaren. My dream car is a Rolls-Royce Wraith. Yes, I have a soft spot for expensive luxury cars like that. So next question is from Juan X Doe, and he said, why made you buy the Hellcat? And I bought it because I had a Scat Pack, and the Scat Pack was fast for what it was, and I just needed something faster. And the reason why I got rid of the Scat Pack is because I wanted to build my car, you know, just have fun with it, you know, keep putting money into it, more mods. And with the Scat Pack, the 392 can only handle so much before you got to rebuild the lower bottom engine and that. I didn't want to blow my engine up. Didn't want to go through those problems. So for those who do build their 392, you got to put in a lot of money. I'm talking about forged pistons and stuff like that. Didn't want to do that, so that's why I just got a Hellcat, worked hard for it, and started building the Hellcat, and that's why I got the Hellcat, just so I could build it. Next question is from Brandon Williams, and it says, where do you study your stocks and know which ones will be your best chance for profit? I don't have a certain place I learn. I do a lot of research, and I was kind of self-taught. I just taught myself and just kept researching. You'll see a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of people that try to sell you their way, and you get confused because everybody's telling you something different. So you just gotta basically, I don't know, either find a mentor or try to learn by yourself. That's the best thing I could do. Next question is from Hammer. Why haven't you fired your hairstylist? That's a good question. I was thinking about it. So that's where I'm gonna leave it at. That was funny though. Next question is from VEHQZI. I don't know how to say that. And he left 3 questions, so I'm gonna just get to all of them. The first one's like, I don't think this was a question. It said you should put a Corsa exhaust on your Hellcat. Reason why I don't do that is because there's not much horsepower gain from getting it, and I don't want my exhaust to be super loud. Next question is, how did you convince your parents to co-sign for your Charger RT? I need to convince my dad to co-sign for mine. To be honest, this is the best thing I can tell you. It's not even anything you gotta confuse. It's the way you basically conduct yourself. You gotta act like a grown-up, basically. You gotta be dependable. It's not something you have to prove to them. It's just something that they know you as. Like, they know that you could pay for it. You're not gonna leave them paying for it. That's basically what I did. I just proved to them that I could take care of it, and they don't have to, you know, ever pay for that car. And they did, and they had faith in me. So my mom had faith in me, and that's who co-signed for that car. So that's basically how I just try to sit down and have a talk with them. The next question is like, I'm 17, how can I invest in stocks? And also, do you invest in Bitcoin? How you could learn, or how could you invest? I'm not sure what the question is, but like I said, do your research, try to learn. I'm not much of a teacher, so I can't really teach anybody. I could show you guys here and there of what to do. I really can't teach anybody. I don't have the time for that. A lot of people hit me up for that. I just don't have the time for that. So what I try to do is I try to give out signals, free signals. I know a lot of people charge for signals, and the whole point of me giving back is just to give you guys signal for you guys to make money. And it's been paying off for a lot of people. So you can follow me on Instagram on ToxicSRT, and that's where you would see my signals at. And it says, do you invest in Bitcoin? I don't invest in Bitcoin. I'm not gonna get into a market that goes up and down that much. A few days ago, it went down to 10 grand from 19 grand or to 14 grand. And then it went back up 2 grand. So that is a little bit way too risky for me. And I'm good where I'm at. My next question or comment, I don't know if it was a question. It's from Bico Mexicano. I just said that in an accent, I don't know why, but it says, how can you do a job that you like when all the jobs you like, you need a degree? And the next one is, no 19 or 18-year-old is doing a job they love. People finish college and usually like 25 or 27 or etc. Basically, this is what I'm gonna tell you guys. Don't put your mind in a box. So don't just, we live in such a world where everybody is following a certain, I don't know, I wouldn't say trend, but a certain, how do I say this? A certain way of how things get done. That what they teach you is, you go to school, which is high school, you graduate, go to college, get out of college, get a job, you start a family, and you continue to work that 9 to 5 forever. And I'd rather not do that. I'm not gonna, why should I wait until I'm 27 to buy my dream car? My Hellcat was my dream car when I was a kid. So there's no reason to do all that. Just find something you love. I mean, for example, there's 16-year-olds, 15-year-olds, 14-year-olds that have YouTube channels that are making millions of dollars buying their parents' dreams car. So what they found what they love, and they like to create content, and they're making money. There's people that sell shoes, buy and resell shoes, you know, Jordans, Yeezys, stuff like that, and they're just kids. They didn't go to college. They didn't wait till they're 27. So don't put your mind in a box where you gotta follow a certain way of how to become successful. And basically just find your way. Everybody has their own way, you know. That's what I tell people, is don't put your mind in a box, because it usually never works out. Alright guys, I hope I answered all your questions. If you guys have any more, keep asking them and I'll answer them. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of that Fiat. I really think, like, I might buy it. I don't know. Let me know, what mods could I do to that car? And would it be a fun little channel car? I literally have MotorTube all over it, just for the heck of it. So let me know if you guys think it's a good idea to buy that car or not. Why to buy it? Why not to buy it? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you guys liked this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, that red button. Click that, you subscribe. Simple. And if you guys want to watch more of my videos, go ahead and browse through the channel. There's tons of great videos, but there's tons of more coming up. Maybe the Fiat is in the future. We never know. But anyways, I will see you guys next video. Peace!